What?
And when you get
No, me not work 9 to 5. Me not 9 to 5 yet. Me do job work. I never do 9 to 5. 9 to 5 is slavery work.
Okay.
Job work me do. 9 to 5, no.
Yeah.
I'm rich, yeah.
I know. What with him? But I eat a food at him.
Miniature cup. Miniature cup. R-E-E-S-E. Reese.
Good job.
R-E-E-S-E-S.
Oh, them say you done.
Who done? Who say me done? Who them did that? We have to go to school. My mother was a woman and we have to go to school.
Oh, so
You're mad. I don't have a girlfriend.
So you consider me as?
Lady friend.
So me a woman?
No.
What you mean?
Me not make love to you. Me not friends
do that.
No man, I'm a joker in 40 years. A Star Trek. A Star Trek lover. That's something like one hologram thing.
Yeah, me disappear. Me just forward back in your life when I'm ready.
No, man, you can't come out, man. You see my cousin down there, liar, Marga. You see big Topside Johnson? Me kill you, man. Me kill you, man. You mad, man. Me murder you. Liar, Marga. You know Liar Marga, the building Topside Johnson? You're bad. Don't stop your mama, pussy. Liar, Marga. Liar, Marga. Your mama.
I'm going to turn up to them. Anyone on Brad, I'm going to blood.
Let's pop off here. We say me can't go on.
Yo, they're not I'm you know, I'm not by them.
But you don't know money. Talk to them, boy. Who is you?
55.
Yeah.
From Stewie, come here, just appear Stewie, man, you not appear me.
But me never go for plants, them. You know, you eat pan sidewalk, you know what?
You don't like.
No,
they get banana, you know what?
Nobody
Love
get
me out, you
jealous.
know, cross.
Me not get jealous, Stewie.
No, what you want going on? Me get
But
two
him no
banana.
want.
You know, two banana, she not that I dozen. She no want no banana. You crazy? Already a $400. You could forget to one stand today name.
Him don't want text it.
I like my cigarette, you know.
From your come
Them there a $500 for them, you know.
From your come
Why me come have a collect me thing? Let me come up for the thing, you know, man.
Where you
They
going
collect me. That's my collect my banana. My collect me and two.
So where you hype on a beer so far?
We are taking the bubble from the man come.
From Stewie coming up here, me no mind
I'm going to pay your mind. I say, put the thing on pass. You make the man win your game, you know. Believe you with that man and the man win it. My 2 games, them win my 2 games, them, you know. When me and the guy from Nigeria play, you know.
Okay, come on, country, come show you there.
I'm to you, man.
Me a call for you
Me like your fool, me like your foolishness, you know, man.
Me a left for you and I'm not coming back.
Yeah, alright,
Me
you're
not
quite
come back
alright.
here.
Something wrong with you. The man say, must I get jealous?
No, man, she don't forget jealous, man.
But me, I collect up my goods.
What you mean, me I get jealous? Jealous over who, you? Nobody can get jealous over you?
What, Jerry?
Yeah.
Then I must.
Me not jealous over that.
You know, so when you're jealous,
I can't
that
share
means
my
are you concerned that, you know, you're jealous?
Concern, me not concerned
What's
over
my
that.
the meaning and jealous?
Jealous.
Me never
You're jealous because Saturday night when the little boy there, you're jealous. When
No,
me say
sir.
your grandson, you're jealous.
Yeah, give me a guy. But just like a paparazzi, some
I
fuck.
see flowers in there.
It's beautiful.
Yeah,
And
so
cute,
we sell them
We're
to
not
the,
talking to you.
$500.
so we sell
A
them to
sucker.
like we sell them to the hotel people.
Yeah, but we know.
Yeah, and them place.
It's nice.
Yeah.
You're jealous of me, Jerry, so I don't know if
But
you're
the guy,
jealous back.
the guy do shake a leg.
Mm.
The guy have a padlock on him neck. We say, what? A Cuba this. Never name fee, you know. Don't get rid of him yet. I'll give him a name.
What you mean we don't forget read that mate?
You get rid of him, I'm gone. And do shake a leg, innit? And dance good. And do a shake a leg.
So look.
Chew,
So we carry them come there, you see? We carry them come at home, come sell them.
I see it.
Yeah.
I don't want Jerry to talk to nobody.
My grandson, the guy do shake a leg. Cuba McCall, no, she invent him.
It's a grandson. I'm son Pitney, yeah?
Yeah? Where you come from? Where you come from?
Country.
Which country?
Your country.
Where are the country?
Where you Pitney them there?
State on St. Anne's?
Yeah?
Andrew have Pitney.
Oh?
Andrew have a Pitney. My first son have a Pitney and I him that.
Yeah?
I'm grandson that.
Yeah?
Me know my daughter them 2 girl baby and 1 boy Pitney.
So you don't know that one there?
No, me don't know that one there.
A grand pity there.
Jerry is a
And she
grandson.
invent him.
Jerry,
I make she make him.
how much for make him? Can I make people?
The I'm find you. I'm give them some number.
Because me dey
Sheila speaking again, you know. A girl, you know, see how long you know, see over me, you know, I'm a fan. And I get up in a anti-Sheila feeling. But you see that, the girl, she can't cook, you know. You know how she cook for the living dead duppy. When she cook the water rice, you know. You come like when you make porridge, you know. And you come like when you mix up the cement, you know, my fan. And tell me what. You see the girl react over me and I get up in my feeling. And go duppy, she can't cook for, you know. She can't cook for human being, you know. No man no want her. She a dead man. She a thirsty. She coming like, sir, the back to it, you know. And the tinning lamp when the out. She in the dark, you know. And me no love people in the dark, you know. For the darkness, I see Satan. I see and Satan I like, you know, my fan. And the girl a come up in my feeling. The girl better reverse out of me and go learn to cook. Her grandfather 110 and can't eat her food. For the man say every time she cook the food, a peer worm in the food, you know. And a duppy I eat with her. So girl, reverse her into Sheila feeling. And me TikTok fan and I big up me TikTok man. And put no view for me man. And tap up the phone man. For a girl that over me, you know. But the blood of Jesus against the girl, you know. Because when they come up in my feeling, a flesh and blood me come out, but the girl a feed duppy, man. A duppy she cook for. The right, a white rice without salt, you know. And duppy, you know, eat with salt, you know. And the girl a living dead, you know. Not even her grandfather can eat her food. You know.
Natural salt dancer, hold on, planting chips. Please take a look at it. Zoom in on it because this is not right. Look in the bag. Quarter bag of chips. Quarter bag. Quarter bag of chips, and look how big the bag is. And look how much money we're paying for it.
Let me see the bag again.
Look in the bag.
No, sir.
Look in the bag. This can't right. Whomever the salt dancer.
They have to go down today.
Salt dancer chips, somebody needs to deal with it.
It's not just salt dancer.
All nice snacks them.
Look
All
there.
snacks.
Look there.
Salt dancer is very, very
Why is
good.
she there?
Salt dancer, it tastes good. It's a very
I
good
love
snack.
it.
But the bag big and it's a little bit of chips to get in there. That's all right.
But all like snacks them these days, you know, they're not putting nothing in there.
No, them need to do some about
These
it. Where it
salt
come
dancer
from?
alone because I love it.
No, we need to put
Santo
some more in the
Domingo.
bag. Well, if it's Santo Domingo people,
They need to put a little more in the
you need
bag,
to put
man.
some more in the bag. This is wrong.
They have to go down today.
Today. You
I
have to go
can't
down.
see. Look. Where
It's a product of Jamaica.
it's not. It's not done here. Probably distributed here.
We're going to make them go down today.